Hello and welcome to GLIDR. GLIDR is a platform that allows you to test business model and product ideas, run research and experiments, gather evidence, and build out a product roadmap based on real market data. GLIDR is built for collaboration. To invite your team, click your profile icon, go to Team Management, and click to invite them here. A team member can work in the projects. Admins will be able to manage integrations and the teams as well as work in the projects. Limited contributors can only submit evidence connected to existing ideas, and viewers will have read-only access to the project with the ability to comment. Choose the role that best fits the user, send them an invitation here, and they'll have 7 days to accept the invitation. You can find your project on the home screen, set up integrations, and configure the settings for this project. If your team uses Slack, you can set up that integration here, as well as the Chrome extension. Ideas are all the assumptions or hypotheses you have to test around your business model and product. On the business model side, you can test ideas that relate to the business model itself. These sections are customizable. You can change to a different canvas, switch to a Kanban view, and use this as a way to organize your ideas. All of these ideas over time will be connected to other ideas, to research and experiments, and to evidence. When you have enough data to stop testing, you can validate ideas or invalidate them. And over time, the connected evidence will start to show a trending score that tells you how confirming or disconfirming that data is of your ideas. Use the filters here to change your view, the connections mode here to quickly see connections between ideas, and click into an idea to see more detail. Here you can add tags that can be applied to data across the project, attachments, a summary, discuss it with your team, and view the connections. You can connect ideas to other ideas to show correlations between them, to evidence to show what data is informing these ideas, and research and experiments to show the work that you've done to test them. Ratings are only applied to evidence in GLIDR. In this case, this particular piece of evidence is leaning confirming. We can mark it as very confirming, neutral, all the way to disconfirming. This contributes to the trending score that we see on the canvas that tells us the overall performance of this idea. Ideas on the product canvas function similarly to business model ideas, but relate to the product itself. You can view this by roadmap, status, or theme. These are all fully customizable sections. In list or Kanban view. View the connected data, the overall trending score, what's been validated, and use these filters to pare down your view. Once you've validated your ideas, you can bring them up on your roadmap to know what to build next, depending on impact and evidence connected. Discovery is the tool that you use to test your ideas. The two methods built into the platform are research and experiments. Research is the generative side of things, such as we're going to talk to 10 customers in 2 weeks, show them our ideas, get feedback, and learn what they care about. You don't necessarily know what the outcome is going to be, but it allows you to structure that kind of discovery work. Whereas experiments are the more evaluative approach. In an experiment, you could say we're going to offer the product to 10 customers in the next 2 weeks, and we think that 7 of them will agree to buy at this price. It's a way of testing a very specific hypothesis to see if your hypothesis was correct. When you begin one of these tests, it will be in the plan phase, move to run, to analyze, and ultimately to complete it. Though discovery appears here, it's essentially above ideas and evidence. It's a way of testing your ideas and generating evidence, where you can record and structure the steps that you took to perform these tests. Evidence is all the data in your project. It's everything you know about your customers, the market, and your business and product ideas. Evidence can be interviews, such as with customers or industry experts, other, such as survey results, marketing test results, relevant articles, Chrome, which means you use the Chrome extension to bring in data quickly to your project, and Intercom, which is only available in GLIDR Team and above. This section is like your evidence inbox. Everything will appear as new until you mark it as reviewed. As we saw from the idea view, we can rate ideas in terms of this evidence. You can check out your activity feed, which is an overall view of all the data added to your project, as well as the overview, where you can define your project, as well as enter details around the financials. As a note, the portal is not available on GLIDR Starter, which allows you to share your product roadmap publicly. That's available on GLIDR Team and above. We hope this walkthrough has been helpful. Please feel free to reach out with any questions to support@GLIDR.IO.